Hello there. Okay, so this is another video on how to use the Poodle um, on Rich Editor using Screencast-O-Matic. So here we go. Okay, you know why I wrote Bohemian Rhapsody? Because that's what I am rehearsing here. So I'm going to show you how to use this. You toggle here so you have more options. Ooh, hopefully, okay, there they are. I'm going to scroll over here so you can see everything that's available. So here we have the mic and video. So we'll start with the video. Okay, then we'll have a little window here. Let's hope our camera. Okay, I can allow my microphone and camera. Here it is. See, that's the score, Bohemian Rhapsody. That's what I'm studying, and that's what I want to share with you. That's what I'm doing, on and off. Okay. Actually, oh, okay, so here it is. I hadn't pressed the record button, so that's why I was talking, but the image was probably frozen. Okay, I can stop, I can pause, and I guess that will be enough. Okay, 17 seconds of me saying not much. Okay, stop, and oops, not a nice image to stop. All right, then upload. After recording, press insert after uploading. Okay, so it's uploading. My internet, ooh, that picture there. So hopefully now when it's uploaded, I'll insert some MP3. So this is the MP4. Come on. I guess people don't have all that time to spare and wait. I don't know if this is my internet or what. Well, I have to wait, otherwise I won't be able to upload it. It wasn't that long. Looks like a big light in my living room, but it's not. It's a reflex. Excuse me. Oh, still uploading. Okay, insert. Oh, there I have the link. Good. Okay. Let's see. Record MP3, record audio. Let's see, record MP3. I sing alto, but let's see how this goes. Ooh. Let's see. You will hear the alto in. Okay, here it goes. Is this real life? Is this just fantasy? And that's enough. Okay, so I'll upload, and hopefully this will take not long. Well, should start any minute now. Okay, uploading. Come on. Yes, and insert. Okay, so I'll just write just before the hyperlinks. Okay, so video on Bohemian Rhapsody. Okay, and audio part. There. Okay. Hope you like it. I don't have to attach any files here, so I post to forum. Thanks for watching.